The first thing you need to do after you go to the NEWSELA website is to create an account. So you're going to click create an account and you're going to say, I'm a student. You are joining a teacher's class. To join the class, you need to know the right class code. Look for which period you have Ms. Arvidsson for LA and write down that class code. So I'm going to type my class code here. I've typed on period 1. You're going to type in whatever period you're enrolled in, and you're going to say next. Now, you're going to sign up with Microsoft. Your school user ID is a Microsoft account. So you're going to use one first initial, middle initial, last name at seattleschools.org. I think that's going to work. If not, one of you is going to contact me. I can't show you this part because I already have a Microsoft account signed up here as a teacher account. I'm going to show you what you should pick a password after that. Make sure you know what your password is because you won't be able to use email recovery because even though your school account looks like an email, it's not actually attached to an email account. So write down your username and your password and then you'll be logged in and I'll show you how you pick an article and select the reading level. Once you're signed up, you should get a home page that looks something like this. Again, I have a teacher account, so mine is going to look a little different than a student account. But I'm on the News tab, and it is giving me today's news in all different areas. Plus, if I want to just look for news about arts or health or kids or law or money or science or sports or war and peace, I can find news just about those by clicking here. So let's say I want to find some sports news. And here are some articles that are recently about sports. I can read the little description, look at the picture. They're kind of going in chronological order. So I'm going to pick this Syrian table tennis whiz qualified for the Olympics. She's 11. And I'm going to go to that. Now you won't get this part about creating an assignment. That's just for teachers. But I can look down here and scroll down to see the article. The articles are adapted from papers. This is at a text level 6. That's 6th grade level. That's probably a pretty good level for most of you. However, if you would like to change the reading level and either read Max, which was the level that it was originally published in the Washington Post, or a different reading level, like if I pick 820, that's actually level 5. So this is already at the Max level, which is probably good. Other articles will have a higher level. This one is currently set at the Max level, and if I look down, it says it's text level 12. That means 12th grade. But it's recommended for middle and high school students. If this is a good reading level for you, and it might depend on what the topic is, then that's great. If it's a little challenging and you want to lower it, you can say, all right, what if I take it down a level? That's a 9th grade text level, and I could take it down again. That's a 7th grade text level. Or even I could lower it if I needed to a 5th grade level. Depending on how technical and how hard it is, you can change the level so it's good for you. If you keep it in 6th or 7th, that will be great and probably best for the assignments. I'm sorry, for the activities. You don't have an assignment option. You're not a teacher. But you do have the option to do activities, and I'll ask you to do the activity. So when you finished reading, click on the activity, and then there's a quiz, which is a multiple choice quiz, and it has a question Again, this is one of the kinds of central idea questions that we've been working on a lot. And then 4 choices, you pick which one is the correct answer. It won't tell you. I've got the teacher's edition again. And then you say next, it gives you the next question. There's usually 4 questions, and there's a little writing assignment, which usually says something like write a short paragraph that explains the central idea and use 2 details from the article to support your response. Your answers to these questions show up in your dashboard, which you'll be able to see up here. Again, yours is going to look different from mine. My binder, and actually we'll say your binder, I think, instead of your dashboard. My binder will instead give me all the students who are enrolled in my classes and what your scores were on those tasks. So to recap, once you're in, go to News, or if you want to search a particular topic, you can. Go to News, either pick a topic or look at what the news today is, big stories of the week, and then there's trends like tech trends, arts, health, and so they're giving you the top 3 stories in each of these categories over here. Pick one, check the reading level, and when you're done reading it, I'm going to make this higher. When you're done reading it, do the activities, do the quiz, and the write, and I'll get your results. Enjoy!